Okay, as you enter, master. Looks like just a little bit of scribbling. Like pictures. Master again. Just little scratches. This is a master bathroom door leading to the outside. Glass is gone. It is a double sink tile. Stand-up shower. Pictures. The walk-in closet. The toilet. Saw there. Carpet looks decent actually. Could be just shampooed. Not too dirty. This is like the option then. Bathroom. This is one of the bedrooms where the window's broken, so completely needs to be replaced. Carpet still looks good though, even on the bedrooms. It's another third window. And if you notice, every window has window treatments too, and they're the wood kind, so it's nice. See, all the windows have it. Okay, and this is it. Beautiful home.